watching sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden.
Hey girls, my name is Holly. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be sharing with y'all some very fun and nostalgic Halloween decor. Just some little items that I picked up here and there. Fun little things for casing. And then I also have a soup recipe that I've never made before that I have pinned on Pinterest that I want to try. And then also bringing in those fun trick-or-treat pieces into our home to decorate for the rest of October. So we're going to go up in the attic and kind of look through some things. I don't really want to go overboard with decorating our house for October this year, just adding in a few little touches, making it just very fun and whimsy. So we're going to see what we get into on this video. But first, I have a few hauls that I want to share with y'all that I got. So many of you sent me over on Instagram and said I had to get this, and you were so right. I got this at HomeGoods. It's a cookie jar, and Casey was actually this for Halloween. He was a teddy bear, and he carried around those like little pumpkin pails for trick-or-treat candy. This was at $16.99, and y'all know I'm just loving bears right now. I'm in my little boy bear era, so I grabbed that. And that wasn't enough. I also found this cute little soap pump, and this was $5.99. They still had lots of these. You can find these at TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, or Marshalls. And then I also went ahead and grabbed this one with the little skeleton costume and the little pumpkin pail. And they also had one, I think that was a witch, I think something else. So you could also get the cookie jar and something different. But I got these to go in his bathroom. It's a Jack and Jill bathroom, so there's two sinks. So I thought those would be so fun to bring out every Halloween. I just wanted to bring some fun, not spooky, not scary decorations into our home. Just kind of like that take me back to whenever I was little, like in the 90s growing up for Halloween. So something I already shared with y'all are these witches hats. So these are like a rattan material, and then I loved the scallop edging on this. So I thought these would be so cute. I'm thinking about putting them on our front porch. They had a bigger size than these, but I took the bigger size back and got the smaller size. So I'm excited to see how we use these for our decorations this year. And then as far as decor, the last thing that I bought was this. I got this Mackenzie Child's little witch's cauldron and feet. So I saw this last year and I loved it. You can put candy in it, and that's what I want to do is put some trick or treat candy in it and put it on our kitchen, either the island or the countertops, like over in the corner. And then bring this out whenever we do trunk or treat with my family for Halloween night. So I actually was able to get this for Mackenzie Child's big barn sale. So their stuff goes like 60% off. So I was able to snag this for a really good deal, and it is so cute. And I love the little glittery boots. Just like I said, fun and whimsical, and the sparkles. And I just like all things that are just sparkly and fun for the holidays. I also picked up casing some new books for the Halloween season, or just fall season in general. So a lot of these I've been collecting through the years. Did pick up two new ones that I wanted to share with y'all real quick. Of course, it's going to be the bear theme again, corduroy books. And the first one that I got was the corduroys Trick or Treat. Now, this doesn't have, I got these at TJ Maxx. It doesn't have like little flaps in it, but the inside just had such fun, like trick or treat memories. Brought you back to Halloween time in the 90s, and it's fun and exciting with costumes and candies. And then also I found this one as well, and this one is the lift flap, so it has the flaps in it that you can lift up. But there are so many pictures in this book that, like I said, just bring you back to the 90s. Little pumpkin pails over here. I also really loved this page. It has the little trick-or-treaters. So I don't know, what kind of even fun to just kind of go through and get some inspiration for like maybe bucket list ideas on things that you want to do with your family for the Halloween season. One that has lots of flaps to it. So I'm just really enjoying these little kid books. Again, for inspiration for maybe how we want to decorate our home for the season, or just little things that we want to do on our October bucket list. So those are two new ones that I picked up. I wanted to share with y'all a few little clothing pieces that I got casing this year. But first, I had this sitting over there by his clothes. I got this last year at TJ Maxx for like $10, and it reminds me of one of those jelly cats. It is so precious. So I like to put this in his room and decorate with it. So you can get these at like baby boutiques or probably on Amazon. But I was able to find this one, like I said, at TJ Maxx for $10, and it is so soft. And for his little outfits, so most of them are Halloween themed, but I do have a really good friend. I'm going to link her Instagram down below because she has just been monogramming and been doing different embroidering, and it is so cute. I'm going to share with y'all that she made that's not like Halloween theme. It's fall, so September, October, November, he would wear this one. It's got the little blue tractor on it. And then also this one was one that I asked her to make that is so adorable. I love this one. So she just orders the sweatshirts and then she can really make anything that you find online, and her prices are really good. So I'm going to link her down below. Again, she is a really close friend of ours. I made another one for Kason. He's actually wearing it right now. So when he wakes up from his nap, I'll let y'all see it because it's adorable too. And then two more little ghosty outfits. He's already worn these a few times, but we got him. That one is just the little bubble. And then also this one that I thought was really cute too. And both of these came from a local baby boutique, and I just thought they were precious. Have some little ghosty pajamas. So Miss Althea, my mother-in-law, gave him these, and I believe those came from a baby boutique, and it has the little pants with it. And then also these were from Burt's Bees. They had a huge like 50% off sale, so I got these for like $15, and they're really cute. And then it also comes with the matching pants. So they may still have these. So I'll try to link everything that I'm sharing with y'all down in the description box, especially with the season coming to an end, marking it down on sale on clearance. So maybe if you want to get some stuff to wear to finish out the season, or maybe size up if you're getting stuff for your child. Or children and want to shop for them for next year. That's what I like to do. Even with my clothes, I love shopping off season and seeing what's out there whenever things start getting marked down, and I'll save it for the next year. We're going to try the mic right here because I need both of my hands, but this is actually something that I have been wanting for a few years now. It's Queen of Sparkle, and their stuff is definitely pricey, but it's very well made, and if you like sparkly stuff like me, then it's just pieces that I wanted to add to my closet to wear year after year. So this was like a sweatshirt that was released a few years ago. I actually shared it on my Instagram. I was like, I have to have that sweatshirt. I loved it. And then I saw how much it was. I was like, never mind. But I found this on Poshmark for like, gosh, it was so good compared to the price that it was. So if you love Queen of Sparkle, check out like Poshmark, things like that, because most people are going to try to sell their older pieces to get the newer pieces. But this is one that I can't see myself ever getting rid of. Y'all know this is me. I love pumpkin spice and the coffees and the lattes. Look at the detail, and it's even all over the back as well. So this is so cute. Like right now I just have it styled with some brown sweatpants. It's cute with jeans. It would be cute with white jeans or white pants. It is just so cute. Even like some fun pajama pants, like plaid pajama pants to wear. I just can wear this for so many fun little events and things that we're doing throughout the season of it. So I did share this with y'all last year, but had to share it again because it's just my absolute favorite. So I wanted to get a Halloween one this year because this one's more fall, which I can wear at Halloween too, but I wanted to get a more on theme Halloween, and I have been looking, and I found this one at a boutique, and it wasn't as much as the sweatshirts because there's so much details in these, and this one just has the patchwork. Sadly, this one sold out though, so I can't link it, but you may look up and be able to find one maybe on Poshmark later or eBay, or I'm not real sure of all the different websites that do like secondhand. But if you love this one, be on the lookout. I believe they had a black sweatshirt in this, and the black sweatshirt one, this unzipped and it was a little pocket, so like you could put your Halloween candy in it. When I first got this one, I thought this one was going to do the same, and unfortunately it didn't because that would have been so cute. But I just love it because this is like nostalgic Halloween for me, and I actually loved it on this pretty purple. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to be wearing this one Halloween night. And I may put this jacket with it. I already shared with y'all this jacket earlier this season, but it's Free People, and I got it for $30 at TJ Maxx. I could not believe it. I love the velvet. It's like the quilted velvet, and then this beautiful patchwork. So I'm thinking, I tried it on though, and I'm just not sure because it does close. Like it's not really an open jacket, so it kind of hides it. But I was thinking about wearing this shirt up under this jacket for Halloween. And then also I have some cheetah print jeans that I thought would be just so cute, and it would just be like fun and whimsical little outfit. So we'll see, or I may put like a long sleeve up under this Kind of depends on how cold it is Halloween too, but I just loved these two pieces together. I thought they were so cute, so we will see. I also have this sweatshirt that I got from Aerie. I want to say no, this was American Eagle. I got it like 3 years ago, but they do have a t-shirt very similar to this, and they always have very fun, like even this year, they had very fun sweatshirts, t-shirts, and they're so soft, and they're already on sale. So go check out American Eagle either online or in store. But I've had this one for a few years now, and I just love the sweatshirt. So I have this one, and we have a lot of fun things that we're going to be doing this weekend and next weekend and leading up until Halloween. So I need lots of these little sweatshirts and like comfy things to wear. Last year I wore this with some brown sweatpants for Halloween because it kind of matched what Kason was. I don't love dressing up for Halloween because I'm having to run around chasing after him. We do like trunk or treating with my dad's side of the family, so it's basically we all set up along this long driveway and we just hang out with one another and we eat together and have bonfires. So I'm running around, so I don't really want to be in a costume, but I kind of like to just be a little bit festive with my outfits, my comfortable outfits. So I got this one to kind of match him last year, and I love it. Again, I like wearing this with just pajama pants just for our October evening. And then I found these this week. So we did a fun little get together at one of my friend's house, and we did a Jesus and Jimmy's party. And so a lot of the girls and women from the church got together, and we had breakfast, and we just had a little Jesus and Jamie's parties. And I already had some pajamas I was going to wear, but I saw these at Kirkland's and they were 60% off, and the colors in them were beautiful and they were so soft. Like, I just could not leave these behind because of the price and how soft and cozy that they were. So it's the long sleeve button up, and then it also is the pants that come with it. So check out Kirkland's. I don't know if they have them online or not. Mine was in store. So check them out and see if they have these 60% off. They may even be 70% off now, but I just love the colors in these. I went ahead and brought these down from the attic. I got this one from a thrift store years ago. I would kind of like to get some more of these, so I need to look for them. And then I also got these from a thrift store. Now these were very faded, and so Drew spray painted these for me a few years ago, and they are way too orange. It's my fault. We already had this spray paint, so he just did it. But they need to be toned down. But I think that the sun will help fade them back. So I think I'm going to put these in our cottage garden. Another few things that we have, definitely using these. I got these on that huge sale last year. These are my Mackenzie Child pumpkins. I definitely want to use those. And then my mother-in-law gave me this one year, and I love it. It's by Mud Pie. And I like putting florals in this, so I know I want to use this little ghost. I don't want to go all out this year on decorating the house for Halloween. Loving our fall decor this year, and I don't really want to mess it up. I want to keep enjoying it. So like these are fun little ghosts, and they light up, but I don't even think I'm going to use those this year. But I want to keep them because I do love them. I got this from the thrift store and painted, I think this was last year or the year before, you know, it was popular, a little trend to get some fun art and then make your own little spooky scene on it. So I did that, but I don't know if I'll use that this year. And then I also have this I usually put in Kason's room. We may do that, I don't know. And then over here we do have a few more tubs of Halloween. So I have these orange pumpkins, also have this little, I got a lot of these things at the thrift store a few years ago. I got this from Rustic Relics, and it just, again, reminds me of one of those nostalgic pieces. Also, the little prints on it kind of is giving Mackenzie Child vibes, so I may use that this year. I don't think I'm going to use anything in this. This is like pumpkin lights and all, and this is a really nice crow that I got one year, but I just, like I said, I don't feel like going all out. Also have a few little dishes. I'll probably pull those out because I like to use these Halloween night. I like to make a dessert or side or something to take, because like I said, we set up a huge table outside and we eat outside and just do trunk or treat and bonfires together. So I may use that then. This one was $12.99 and it looks just like the Pottery Barn dupe. I got it last year. And then here's my little skeletons, but I don't think I'm going to use those this year. And then, oh, I have this little bucket that I got. I usually put a plant in it or a diffuser. And then I have some costumes in there. And then I also have like this little witch's broom. But like I said, I'm not going to do much. I think that's like a little bit of extra fall stuff. So we're going to see what we come up with and how we want to decorate this year. Just bare minimum.
Just yet, I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow. Just yet, I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.
Playing tractors?